I already mentioned you about the power of conditioner, but this is not sufficient because we see after a few washes, people fade, the color fades. So what do? We have a technology that's called HydroSal Hair Color Protect. This is a special technology, as you can barely see because it's so small. It's designed to extend the color retention, okay, for color treated hair. So what does it do? It is practically sealing the hair cuticle. It's like a sleeve on the surface of the hair. And this is typical property of HydroSal. It's ideal property for HydroSal because HydroSal is all about covering the surface. By having this coating, it prevents the cuticle from swelling, and as so, it prevents the color from releasing prematurely. As a result of using this, what do we get? We get a long-lasting hair color. It's visible, the color are brighter for longer. It protects the hair from the sun, from chemicals, because it's practically sealing and isolating the hair. As so, it's also a good antifreeze and soothing the hair, strengthening the hair, and adding shine, natural shine to the hair. I mentioned before what ammonia is doing. So this is actually coming to repair the process and the damage happened to the cuticles. So this is HydroSal Hair Protect. Again, it works as a process to seal the hair. Therefore, we use different materials to make HydroSal Hair Protect. We use polymers and essential oils that work together for the same purpose. So the shell of the sphere contains a UV filter. This is to protect from the sun. It's also a very good material to incorporate, to be incorporated in the sleeve, protective sleeve on the surface of the hair. Then in the core, we have the botanical ingredients. The botanical includes the broccoli seed oil, coconut, and jojoba extract. All this increasing the hydrophobicity, repelling the shampoo and the water from the hair. And this is how it works. Now, how do we know that it works and how good it is? For that purpose, we went into some laboratory experiment. And the experiment were done on traces of human hair treated in the commercial way, in a simple way. We just bought a hair color, in this case it was red, and we dyed the hair. Then we went through series of shampoo and conditioner cycles, shampoo and conditioner, and we used HydroSal Color Protect in both shampoo and the conditioner. And we measured, what did we measure? We measured the intensity of the color, the red color that we use to dye the hair. For that purpose, we use a colorimeter. This is the colorimeter CL400 that we use, and we apply it on the hair traces, and we can measure the intensity of the red color. We also use humans just to measure and evaluate the color intensity. So we compare sensory report to the machinery report. So we went through about 18 different cycles, and this is our control tracer. So what we see is, this is the basic system, no treatment, no special treatment, just shampoo, conditioner cycles. After 18, you can see the color is very fade. Okay, there is no really much left from the red color. The original color was brown. So this is what you get after 18 washes. Compared to this, we took the basic technology. What does it mean, the basic? The basics mean our laboratory shampoo and laboratory made conditioner. Nothing special, very simple. To the simple base, we added HydroSal Color Protect. and you can already see the effect on the color. It's much darker and color is intense. Now, in order to compare our technology, we used a benchmark, which is the best market product. The best market product made by one of the hair care companies, and they promote this product as the best to retain the color. And this is what you see, pretty good, pretty good. Now, we took the benchmark and added the technology, and now we get even better results. So what do we see? Without any technology, the color will fade. Okay, take a basic product and add the technology, you get much better results. Of course, the best product on the market and the most expensive one is giving good results, but adding the technology to the good results, you get excellent results. Now, what the machinery is telling us when we measure it and what consumers are telling us, you could see the picture, but now you can see the graphs. So we measure the odor intensity over time on a scale of 0 to 5. And you see that the basic shampoo and conditioner give about a score of 1 by our 12 panelists. However, if we add our technologies to the benchmark, which is the market product, you see we can get to significantly higher, to number 3. So 3 times better. In other words, the technology could significantly increase. The technology with the basic didn't increase to the same extent, only to about 2. But now look at this now. Now we are measuring the color with a colorimeter and the scale of 0 to 12 as a number of washes, cycles of washes. So until about 6 washes, we didn't see any effect. So actually we start to report here only from number 6. And the x-axis you see number 6. Okay, number 6 is where we start. And you see the 2 different lines. The lower line is the basic shampoo and conditioner. You see with washes, it really goes down. And the top line is the same basic shampoo and conditioner cycles, but with the HydroSal, significantly higher than without. That shows that adding the technology to a basic product can significantly increase the performance of the basic product. Now we use the benchmark and the same scale of 0, now it goes up to about 12. So as a function of number of washes, cycles of washes, shampoo and conditioner. So we see that after 6 washes, you already see that the benchmark with the HydroSal is much higher than without, already after 6 washes. Now, as we go further, you see that the control, the benchmark by itself, would drop down. However, the benchmark with the technology gives you a significant increase in the color retention. So the technology can work well with any base, but it works even better with a base that's already optimized to retain the color. Now, if we look at this from a different point of view, after about the 10 units of intensity, we see that the basic benchmark without the technologies was able to do about 6 washes before we get the number 10 in the machine, the color intensity of 10. About 6 washes. However, with the HydroSal could do 12 washes, which means the HydroSal can double the number of washes before the color 10. 10 is when you can see that the color is faded. So 10 is the number, and the technology can double number of washes.